Hello everyone! If you're on diet and you have a sweet tooth, you'll be pleased to know that there are recipes that will totally satisfy your cravings guilt-free. Today we are going to make a rich, gooey chocolate swirled peanut butter brownies. Who says you can't have that on a diet? It's vegan, gluten-free, and there's paleo option available. You will need the following ingredients for a serving of 4 small squares. 2 ripe bananas mashed. Just in case you're wondering why are we using rotten bananas here because of the blackened skin. You see, I like chilled bananas, but putting it in the fridge oxidizes and blackens the skin. But the fruit stays as fresh and firm as the time you refrigerate it. So if you don't want your bananas to ripe too fast on the countertop because you can't finish them fast enough, I would suggest that you put them in the crisper compartment of the fridge sealed in a plastic bag so that the skin doesn't go black too soon. You will also need a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup or organic coconut sugar, a 1/4 cup of organic coconut flour, 1/2 cup of organic cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. For paleo version, use almond butter or nut butter of your choice, 1 cup of dark chocolate with almond. You can find the full recipe down below in the description box, and I will put the links below on where I got my stash of organic stuff. There are plenty of brands and price range you can choose from, so do check them out. So we're all ready, let's get started. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the bananas, cocoa powder, coconut flour, coconut sugar, baking soda, and salt. Blend until smooth. I've transferred the batter into a 6x6 inch baking dish and also melted the chocolate and peanut butter in the microwave. I drizzled the chocolate over the peanut butter mixture. And then use a knife or a toothpick to create a swirl-like pattern with the melted chocolate and peanut butter throughout the batter. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the brownie comes out clean. Let cool and slice into 4 squares. It can be served warm or chilled. So there you go, a sinfully rich chocolate dessert that can be eaten guilt-free. Do give it a thumbs up if you like this video and leave a comment below if you have tried the recipe. We'd love to hear if you like it. For more interesting recipes, do click below to subscribe so that you can be notified of new videos upon release weekly. And as usual, thank you for watching.